Always come early, don't go so late.
Some more?
I don't know, Mommy.
Why do you tell Papa to come back early?
That Papa come early.
Why?
I don't know.
Why you want Papa to come back early?
Because I want Papa.
Why do you want Papa?
Because Papa the handsome.
Papa so handsome.
Yes.
What do you want to do with Papa if Papa come back early?
Play.
Play what? Play what?
Yes.
Play what?
Play block with Daddy.
Play block with Daddy?
Yes.
What do you like Papa to do with you?
Play with me.
Yeah, ka.
Yes.
What's the time now, Juju? It's 1 o'clock. Why are you not sleeping?
Because I did for Papa.
Where's Papa now? Where's Papa now?
At work.
Why Papa so late?
I don't know.
So what did you tell Daddy? Huh?
I want to play box.
Play box.
Blocks.
Blocks,
Yes.
Say that Papa please come back early from work.
Papa, please go early from the work.
Why? Do you miss him?
Yes.
You miss Papa?
Yes.
Why do you miss Papa?
Because Papa. Because I want Papa.
You want
I
Papa?
want Mommy and Daddy and Papa.
What do you want us to do?
They want me and carry me and play toys with me.
Yaka.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll spend time with you tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Okay then. Good night, Juju.
Good night, Mommy.
I love you, Juju.
I love you, Mommy.
Sweet dreams, Juju.
Just Mommy.
God bless you.
Bless you, Mommy.
Sleep tight.
Bye.
Sweet dreams.
Dreams.
I love you.
Love you.
Good night.
Good night.
Close your eyes and sleep now, okay?
Okay.
You gonna pray?
Mommy, stop
You gonna pray
doing
now?
that.